Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In my video yesterday, I said I was bullish on the higher time frames due to the wave trend indicator showing strong signals. But I also mentioned that we could see a slow start into July, with downside clearing toward 106.6K before any continuation to the upside. Well, the dump just happened. In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin saw a decline of 2.25%, reaching the bottom of the red box of long liquidity. This exact zone was outlined yesterday, so nothing unexpected so far. Checking the one-week liquidation heat map, we can clearly see a staircase pattern to the downside. Over-leveraged long positions got wiped out at 106K, then again at 105.5K, and finally at 105K. The entire downside heat cluster has now been cleared. There is a new hot pocket forming below, with 103.4K glowing the most. However, let's not get overly bearish here. I keep hearing amateur traders call for 90K and even 80K during a bull run. Honestly, it is laughable. In my view, we could now begin a slow and steady grind back to the upside. 109K remains a solid target. Also, the 111.1K zone continues to heat up with short liquidation leverage stacking up every hour. That could become the next magnet once bulls take back control. Personally, I still have all of my long positions open. I plan to add to my exposure at 106.4K when the market starts showing strength again. For now, I believe we have bottomed out. There was also obvious manipulation on the chart today. The yellow X printed as price was pushed down aggressively from both the 106.4K horizontal and the red dotted line at 105.6K. Now let's talk about some bullish fundamentals. First, Bitcoin balance on exchanges just hit a new all-time low. That is right, fewer coins available to be sold. A supply shock could be brewing. Second, the number of entities holding Bitcoin has increased by 22 over the past 30 days, bringing the total to 252 entities. This shows continued accumulation, not distribution. And finally, a massive adoption signal. Mitsubishi, the Japanese tech conglomerate worth $300 billion, just announced it will integrate Bitcoin trading into its rewards app, which has 100 million users. That is a major on-ramp. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.